In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Docs for adding and modifying headers and images. If you've ever wanted to make your documents stand out with personalized headers or enhance them with images, then this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, we need to get to Google Docs, so open up your web browser and head over to the Google Docs homepage. Once you're there, look for the option that says Start a New Document. You'll find it typically represented as a blank page with a plus sign. Click on it, and this will open up a fresh blank document ready for you to customize. Now, focusing on the menu bar, you're going to want to click on Format. This is your go-to for making any changes to the structural elements of your document. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you should select Headers and Footers. With just a click, you're telling Google Docs that you're ready to specify what appears at the top and bottom of your pages. After selecting Headers and Footers, a window will pop up, giving you various options for customization. Once you've browsed through and made any adjustments if necessary, click on Apply to save your settings. At this point, your document is primed to include headers, but we're not done just yet. Next, let's get hands-on with the header section itself. Simply double-click on the header space at the top of your document. This will activate the section, allowing you to make edits directly within this area. You can start typing here directly if you wish to add text, but let's say you want to add an image instead. For that, what you need to do is head over to the menu bar again and click on Insert. From the list that drops down, choose Image, and then select Upload from Computer. This option lets you pull an image file directly from your device. Locate the image file you want to use and then upload it into the document's header. Now that the image is in place, you might find it necessary to adjust its size for the perfect fit. Simply click on the image and use the blue squares that appear around its edges. You can drag these to resize the image until it's just right. Lastly, for an added touch of professionalism, you may want to highlight certain sections. Highlighting text is easy. Simply select the text you want to stand out and click on the highlight option in the toolbar. Choose your preferred color and you're done. With these simple steps, you've not only added images, but also customized your Google Docs experience to better reflect the content and style you envision. Happy documenting!